Alright, so make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Liking the video is free of charge. So let's go. There's a police station, then the other side is up. This other side is a church. Yeah. Some happy kids over there. I think maybe they are from a game and they have won. And now they are celebrating. Maguna supermarket. This is the newest supermarket around here. So we are coming to this place. It's an estate called Naivas. So I guess we should get inside first. Then we get out. I used to stay in this estate a long time ago when I used to be a rich boy. Hopefully I can be able to get back to this area. This used to be a very nice place. So I'm coming to show you my hood where I used to stay. You can see it's a very nice place. They have some nice restaurants. That is a saloon. Yeah. You can see Steven has cabros. Very nice place. I used to love it. I used to enjoy, but at the moment I can't afford to stay here. We have passed my restaurant. That's what I used to eat. You can see some chafari being made on the sides. It's a very nice place, very quiet. There's a supermarket over there. Yeah, some fish being made. Yeah. It used to be a very nice estate. It's still a nice estate, by the way. You can see how populated it is. It shows you that there is a lot of money that is flowing over here. You can see that street. So we are going this way, and then we're gonna circle back a new spa over there. The place is really growing. It's really growing. It's really developing. Very developing. And like how I left it. It's been 3 years, no, 5 years since I left. You see that? Wow, so many things have changed over here. So many things have changed. So that guy has not left there. The saloon here, this used to be my business over there. Someone else is occupying there. Yeah. So that was my hood. Very nice place. Very soon I'm manifesting that I'll be back. I'll be back and better. Through your support, guys. If you like my videos, if you subscribe to my channel, you will help me get back to my hood, the best hood. Church over there. So this way we're gonna be getting out of this estate. You can see there is a lot of business that are cropping up. A lot of business cropping up. So if you go this way, you're gonna be getting out. Yeah, that is the side of GSU. So let's go back and use this street. This is a supermarket. If you go on the other, the front side, it's a supermarket. Yeah, and then you can see all these are businesses. Very nice place. Mtu anauza mayai. Look at that restaurant. Ndio juu huku kuna pesa. Watu huku wako na pesa. Because I think the rent around this place goes for around the cheapest 15,000 for a one bedroom. The cheapest. A bed sitter you get it at around 10,000, 12,000. They even go up to 15 for a bed sitter. Unaweza ona hapa wenye magari imepakiwa ndio ujue huku kuna pesa. Wacha tuingie kidogo niwaonyeshe halafu turudi. Let me show you where I used to stay. I showed you where my business was, but also I need to also show you where my house used to be. A lot of business taking place here. So nyumba yangu ilikuwa gani? Ili change. Oh, ndio hii hapa mbele. It's been a long time since I was here, so hata vitu zingine nimesahau. Fiti. Samaje? My house used to be this one. See that one? I used to stay on the fourth floor. Is it fourth floor or that floor? Around there. So this is how the hood looks like. The tallest building around here. So let's circle back. So mimi ndio huyo, tunaelekea kumaliza hii episode. I hope you have seen my hood. Yeah, I'm manifesting, by the way. I'm gonna be coming back real soon. So possibly in maybe 6 months, because if the channel gets some attention and we can be able to at least get some good money, we can be able to come back. Okay, so thank you for watching. Let's go home. Look at all these businesses. Biashara zimenoga huko. There used to be a Naivas over here where you're seeing this what do you call them, and then it got demolished. I think it was a safety risk, so they demolished it. Yeah, so right now I don't know whether they are reconstructing it or what is gonna happen. Okay, so let's go home. Let's go home. Mambo ni full life. Look at this farmers. Huku pesa iko bwana. Unaona, nakwambia huku rent ni kuanzia 15,000 kwenda juu. I think hata imeshapanda, unaweza pata hata one bedroom saa hii kupata ni kitu. Look at this grocery shop. A very nice grocery shop over there. Saa hii rent inaweza kuwa inachezea 20 for one bedroom. So kama mnataka nirudi huku, muwatch video zangu full, musubscribe kwa channel yangu, alafu Hivyo ndio sasa mtakuwa mnaweza nirejesha to my favorite food. There is a supermarket over here, Eastmart. Ndio ujue kuna pesa. Unaona kuna supermarket mbili, kuna Eastmart na kuna Magunas, all of them in one neighborhood. So that tells you the people around here got some money. You can see even the supermarket is being guarded by police. Okay, so it's getting late. Obviously, maybe you're now, my video is now looking a bit dark, so probably we need to end it at this point. And tomorrow we're gonna do another one, another nice video. Okay, so hope you like the video. Hope you've known at least one or two things around this place. And then the most important thing is that we are coming back over here real soon. Okay, that's where we entered through, and then we came through this road. So I think we have circled. Yeah, this is the second supermarket I showed you. So we have circled the whole estate. But I like this street. I've not used this street. And then the front part of it, I've not even used it. So you can see that it's big. Then there is this other side. You see that house over there? It's one of the most expensive houses over there, the one with the glass. Some chicken. So yes, thank you everybody, thank you for your support. So this is a side of Mathare that no one has ever shown you. You know, most of the videos are coming from the ghetto or from the slum. They don't show you this developed side of Mathare. So this is the most developed. I think the title of the video should be touring the most developed side of Mathare that no one shows you. Okay, so that the side we have come from, we can call it Runda. And then now this other side ndio sasa kuna mahasla kidogo wakijikaza kidogo wanahamia huko kwingine. Okay, so there I am going home. I'm going home, sweet home. An accident is happening over here. Ni kama amewagonga kwa kujua. Kama amewagonga akijua huyo msewa. So I need to end this video. Kuna accident kametokea pale. Mwenye kuifanya ni kama ameifanya kimaksudi. So see these border guys, they create chaos so that they steal from you. Unaweza pata hata walikuwa wanataka kumuibia simu. Wanamgonga ndio akianguka wamuibie. Ama maybe they had another target. So well, at least it's not a big one. It's just a minor accident. So it's getting dark. So let's end it here.